is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making Tutti Frutti vanilla cake. If you don't know what Tutti Frutti is, it is basically just pieces of candied fruit that you can find at any Indian store. This cake is great for a celebration or just to make for fun. So without further ado, let's get baking. To make this cake, we will need 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter that is softened, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 3/4 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of milk, 1½ teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 190 grams of Tutti Frutti. We will start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you will take a cake pan and you can spread some butter or oil on it. Then you will take a large bowl and you will add in the butter, the oil, and the powdered sugar. You will mix these together. After you have mixed those together, you will pour in the condensed milk. And you will mix the condensed milk in. You will set that mixture aside and you will take the milk. You can pour it into a mug and then you can add in the vinegar and the vanilla extract. And you will just mix these together. You can set the liquid mixture aside and take a medium-sized bowl. We will sift together the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, and the baking soda. After the dry ingredients are sifted, you can just give them a quick mix. Now we will go back to the condensed milk mixture and we will add in a little bit of the dry ingredient mixture and a little bit of the wet ingredient mixture. We are adding these mixtures in intervals so that there are no lumps in the batter. So you will mix these ingredients into the condensed milk mixture and you will keep on adding in parts of the dry ingredient mixture and wet ingredient mixture into the batter until the two mixtures are finished. Once you have made the vanilla cake batter, you will add in the Tutti Frutti. And you will fold this into the batter with a spatula. Once your cake batter is ready, you can pour it into the prepared pan. And you will bake this in your oven for around 45 minutes or until a knife or toothpick inserted comes out clean. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Also, make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.